Pack OMS has 8 different modules which are used by the e-commerce operation team during the order fulfillment lifecycle. The users of the application are Super Admin, Group Supervisor, Store Supervisor, Picker, Master Picker, Shelf Stacker, Security Check, and the Delivery module. In this video, we will demonstrate the main features and functionalities of each module. First of all, let's start with the Store Supervisor module, which can be assigned to one user per store. The Store Supervisor is responsible for managing the store users and the order fulfillment processes. In order to log in to the Store Supervisor module, we have to open the application URL using the web browser and enter the username and password. After login, the user will land on the dashboard page, which will show an overview about the orders available to be prepared and delivered. The dashboard includes several charts to visualize in real time the order statuses and define the number of orders in each order fulfillment stage, like the number of orders released to the picker's pool, the number of dispatch orders, the number of picked orders, etc. In addition to the orders management, the Store Supervisor has the ability to manage the other user accounts within the same store and monitor their activities. To add a new account, just select the user type from the side menu and press on Add a New button. Then fill up the basic user details like picker name, username, email address, and finally define whether the picker is a normal picker or a master picker. Similarly, the Store Supervisor can manage the other user accounts. Also, the Store Supervisor can activate and deactivate the user accounts using the Active checkbox. Only the active users will be able to log in to the system. Using the online status option, the availability of store users during the working hours can be monitored in real time by the Store Supervisor. Now, we will demonstrate how the received orders can be released to the picker's order pool. From the side menu, the Store Supervisor can click on View Orders tab to view all orders placed and ready for picking from that particular store. The orders will be listed on this page, where the order details can be viewed by clicking on the desired order row. In this page, we can see the order ID, customer details, order date and time, and the chosen delivery slot. Also, we can see the order item codes, quantities, and the storage category, whether it is dry, fresh, or frozen, as well as the item location within the selling area or warehouse. In View Orders page, the Store Supervisor has the ability to check at any time how many dry items, fresh items, and frozen items are available for picking. The number between brackets indicates the total quantities to be picked for each storage category in each order. For example, in this order, we can see that there are 2 fresh items with 16 quantities, 7 plus 9 units. Now, we will see how the Store Supervisor can release the received orders to the pickers for picking. Using this feature, the Store Supervisor can group the orders in different picking activities based on the item's location. This will increase the picker's efficiency, and as a result, the picking time will be reduced to the minimum. How can that be done? It is simple. The Store Supervisor can click on the Create Activity button after selecting the orders that need to be picked for the next delivery slot. Here, we will select all orders available and then click on Create Activity button to view the activities created by the system. Upon clicking on the button, the system will prompt to enter the maximum quantity that can be picked in one picking activity. Let's try 30 units and click Create. Here, we can see the created activities which have been created based on the item locations. For this store, the Store Supervisor defined 8 picking zones from A to H. That is why the selected orders have been consolidated into 8 different activities. Once done, A success message will be displayed and the released activities will be available for the pickers to start the picking process.